Oh, what is that? Oh, it's just your default menu when you're using a widescreen resolution. Why does it look so ugly? If only there was a way to solve this. Good thing the only other plugin besides the OnFly's core engine that I have is a menu status customizer, a plugin that allows you to customize the miniature status things that appear next to your actors in the main menu of your menu. Yeah! One of the main functions of this plugin is the retain mode. Simply set it to true, and now your menu retains its shape instead of stretching out to meet the width of the screen size. Of course, this actually won't be necessary, because what this plugin does, it allows you to add more stuff to your status menu, making it so it doesn't have to stretch that far. Now here's how it works. To start off, let's customize the columns and rows of the status window's information. So for example, let's set the status info columns to 3, like that. So we have 3 columns and 3 rows. So as you see right here, all the information is split up like a grid. As you see, there's 3 columns and there are 3 rows. And using this, we can change and input and manipulate where each piece of information lays in this display right here. So as you saw, you can change the columns and rows of the information presented in that mini status thing. However, to make it so you can choose where each piece of information goes, you're going to use this stuff right here. So how it works is quite simple. You have the piece of information, whether you show it or not, and then its location based on a row and a column. So for example, let's take the nickname right here. By default, nicknames aren't shown, so let's show a nickname. And then right here underneath it, let's set its location to somewhere. So the empty spots were the 3rd column and the 2nd row. So we'll put row 2, column 3, like that. And voila! Now each actor's nickname appears in the 3rd column and the 2nd row. And of course, there are pieces of information for everything you need to know. The name, nickname, class, level, icons, HP bar, MP bar, TP bar, and a built-in new EXP bar. And once again, using these, we can change where each thing appears. So now let's try something else. Let's make it so the TP bar is no longer shown, so we'll set this to false. Now as you can see, the TP bar has now disappeared from our little status menu thing right here. But now let's try making it so the EXP bar appears where the TP bar was. So the TP bar was in row 3, column 2. Let's set the EXP bar to row 3, column 2, like that. And now voila! The EXP bar now appears underneath the HP, MP, and right there. Yeah! So using this, you can now manipulate where each piece of information will lay in your mini actor status that appears on your menu, making it so no matter what resolution your game is, you're going to have information oriented to fit your menu to make it look a lot better than normal. Finally, also comes the ability to create your own pieces of information using JavaScript. So for example, as you see right here, we have the status 1 eval. Let's set it something like the attack. So we'll do attack is set to the actor.atk, just like that. That's simple, that's all you gotta do. Let's set location to row 3, column 3. So you do, boom, there we go. And now, of course, the actor's attack stats appear in the bottom right-hand corner, as you see. So Harold is 26, and they're all 26. But if we look, we'll find that, hey, it matches up with the attack right there, so the attack right here, it works perfectly. And of course, you can get pretty creative with this. So for example, if you have BeyondFly's job points, you can once again just display the job points by doing JP, then actor.jp. So for example, JP, then call upon the actor.jp function like that, and now you can see the actor job points just sitting there all at 0 because I haven't done anything in this game. But that's all for this plugin. The download link to this plugin is in the description of this video. If you enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more plugins like this. Yeah, and leave a comment saying, wow, this plugin sure is useless because it doesn't do anything for alt menu screens. And I'll say, yeah, I guess you're right. Okay. Well, that's all for now. Until next time.